Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to add or change password in iPhone iOS 18. So if your iPhone is now running on the latest iOS 18 and then you want to change or add password to your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to add password or change your password on your iPhone on iOS 18, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, you want to scroll down until you get to Face ID and passcode, and then click on that. Now, once you selected Face ID and passcode, you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode. Go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. There you go. Then here to change your password or add new password, scroll down, tap change passcode, and then type in your old passcode. Then here, go ahead, choose passcode options and select the password you want to change your iPhone password to, whether 4-digit numeric, 6-digit numeric, custom numeric, and custom alphanumeric. Then go ahead and then type in the passcode, confirm the passcode again. So once you confirm the password twice, this is going to change your iPhone password instantly. And then when next you want to access your iPhone, then you can go ahead and type in this set password. However, if you want to add a new password to your iPhone, all you need to do here is click on add password or passcode. Then follow the prompt on the screen to type in your new password consecutively. So once you type it twice, then the new password will be set on your iPhone. So that is basically how to add or change password in iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.